Okay, good morning students. Hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is playing with numbers, chapter number 3. And today you are going to get an introduction video of this chapter, right? So playing with numbers, so you have to play with the numbers only if you know the multiplication table properly. Okay, if the students not able to multiply and divide properly, so it will be a little bit difficult for them. So it's a better advice, just learn the multiplication table properly so you can do this chapter very well. Okay, so our first topic is factors and the multiples, right? So for example, I am taking a number 6, and 6, the multiple of 6 is, how we get the multiple of 6? By multiplying 3 and 2. Okay, the same way this 3 and 2, when we multiply, what we get? We get 6. So this term, this number 6 is the factor of 3 and 2, right? Same way, these are the multiples of 6, right? So there are few important points that I have to discuss with you, right? The first point is, one is the factor of all the numbers. In every table, when we multiply with the number 1, we will get the same number. For example, 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 90 into 1, 48 into 1, 55 into 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, here and no dot means stands for number. Okay, and second thing, number itself means, suppose 5 comes in the table of 1 and 5. In this way, the second point, number itself will come, in which 1 and the second is number itself, right? Same way, the number of factors are fixed. For example, suppose I have taken the number 6. So 6 comes in the table of 1, because 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Then it comes in the table of 2. Then it comes in the table of 3. And at last, it comes in the table of 6. Here 1 and the number itself, that is 1 and 6, and 6 comes in the table of 2 and 3. So this point is, the third point is, number of factors are fixed. Okay, these are the factors of which number? Number 6, but they are fixed, right? So when we come to this point, numbers of multiples are infinite. Which means, suppose if we multiplying this 6 with 1, okay, we will get 6. 6 with 2, 6 2s are 12. Then 6 into 3, 18. It goes increasing. So when we comparing factors and multiples here, the number of factors are fixed as compared to the multiples. Multiples are infinite. We can multiply this 6 with any number, right? But the number of factors for the 6 is limited, fixed, right? Now come to the next number, this next point, which says factors are equal to or less than the numbers, which means this is the factor of 6, this 6, that is equal to 6, or less than. Less than means whatever may be the factor, it should be less than this number 6. I have taken the example of 6. 6 means here 1 is less than 6, 2 is less than 6, 3 is less than 6, and the numbers equal to means equal to 6. It should be equal to 6. Okay, it should be equal to 6, or the other factors should be less than number 6, right? Same way, when we talking about the multiples, multiples are equal or greater. For example, 6 ones are 6. So 6 is equal to 6. Then when we compare the next multiple, 12, 18, 24, 30, it goes on increasing. Okay, so when we're talking about the multiples, for example of 6, it get increased when we multiplying the number, but when we come to the factor till equal to 6, then the other factor will be less than 6. This is the basic difference between factors and the multiples. Okay, so first thing, 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Second thing, number itself. Suppose I have taken this 6. 6 will come in the table of 1 and 6, right? 1 and the number itself. Number of factors are fixed. Number of multiples are infinite. They are not fixed. You can multiply this 6 with any number, right? Factors are equal to or less than the numbers. Means the factors will be equal to, but it should be less than the numbers. But in case of multiples, it is just getting increase and increase, right? So this is all about the factors and the multiples. Hope it is clear to you, right? And one thing, again I am telling you, if you know the multiplication table, you can do this chapter very well. So just study the multiplication table properly, so you can do this chapter very well. Okay, just go through it. Okay, now come to the next topic, prime number and composite number, right? So prime and composite we have studied in lower classes in class 5, but still, what is prime number? The numbers which comes in the table of 1. Okay, prime and composite number. Prime number are those number which comes in the table of 1 and the number itself. Means, for example, 2. 2 comes in the table of 1 and 2 only. Okay, same case with this 3 also. 3 will comes in the table of 1 and 3. Same case with 5 also, 7 also. So all those number which comes in the table of 1 and the number itself, they are called prime number, right? When we come to the composite number, composite numbers are those numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Means, for example, I have taken this 4, 6, 8 and 12, right? So I have taken this 4. 4 comes in the table of 1, right? So I have taken this number 4. 4 comes in the table of 1, then 2, then the number itself, right? So more than 2 factor, the number which are having more than 2 factor, they are called composite number. Okay, so prime numbers are those numbers in which the numbers are 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, right? Same way, when we are talking about the composite number, the numbers having more than 2 factors. Suppose I have taken this 6. 6 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3 and the number itself, that is 6. Same way, 8 and 12 are coming in different tables. They are having more than 2 factors. Okay, so they are called composite number. But there is one problem here. What about this 1? Right, the problem is 1. So 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. So right, so keep it in your mind. 1 is not a prime number, okay, not a composite number. Sometimes this kind of questions basically in fill up or true or false, this kind of things will be asked. So keep it in your mind. 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. So this is all about prime and the composite number. Hope it is clear to you. Once again I am telling you, prime number are those number which are coming in the table of 1 and the number itself. Composite number are those number which are having more than 2 factors coming in different tables, right? So, and the most important thing, 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number, right? So just go through it.